wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, so I just got home from Sephora. I had to go there for something else, and there was a product I wanted to exchange anyways. Look at me. Who would have thought we'd be at a place where I actually return products that I don't like? So while I was there, I got a product and I'm going to try it today. I've actually, what is this? Oh, they have a little flyer in here letting you know about the sale. If you guys did not know, you didn't see the other videos that I posted, it does start Friday. Yep, and November 6th. The code is time to save. Okay. I've never tried anything Gucci, like Gucci makeup. And I had seen the concealer on the new makeup page and I put it in my cart, and then someone had commented on one of my recommendation videos for the sale saying that you need to try the Gucci concealer. So I was like, I feel like that was God's way, because I'm pretty sure I got that comment like the day I put it in my shopping cart. So I went ahead and I picked it up. So if you guys want to see how this goes, let's go. Okay, this totally is not related to this video, but while I was there, I smelled the Commodity Milk Expressive. I have to pop up here. I definitely went ahead and put this in my cart to pick up during this sale, because why is no one talking about this? It smelled like milky vanilla lotion, but in a fragrance formula. I was here for it. Sprayed in the air. Had sprayed on myself, so absolutely positively picked that up during this sale. I would recommend that. But this is the Gucci multi-use crease proof and hydrating concealer. Retails for $47 dual hairs. I got it in the shade medium deep 41C. That's the shade that I had it in my cart. I actually didn't look at it in store to see what this shade looks like, because like they didn't have it up top. She had to go in the thing underneath to get it for me. So we'll see how that goes. But you get 0.27 ounces, and it says a concealer that conceals imperfections and brightens the complexion with lasting medium to full coverage. Coverage is full, finish is natural, formulation is liquid. This Gucci liquid concealer is suitable for all skin types and blends seamlessly to deliver a breathable, natural finish. The shades are identified by two parts. Numbers reflect depth of skin tone from fair to deep, and letters represent skin's undertone. C for cool skin rarely tans with pink hues, N for neutral skin tan sometimes with both pink and golden hues, W for warm skin tans easily with yellow or golden hues. I did not pay attention to all that when I was picking the shade, but again, we're already here, so let's go. When I tell y'all, baby, I'm so over the wig. It's giving wash and go after this, but it's bangs, so you know, the hairline, I'm not that worried about it. But let us get into, I know y'all heard that, this concealer. Let's see what this shade looks like. Oh, okay. All right. She a little light, but we're here, so let's get to it. Very pretty packaging. Okay, all right. Ooh, is there I can't open it, bruh. Oh, there we go. Interesting texture. No, really interesting texture. Ooh, all right. I need to pluck my chin hairs. Okay, what? I mean, once I start blending it out, it's not giving too. Actually, well, let me, I guess, finish blending the whole thing out. It's that under eye that's gonna let you know if, baby, this is not for you. But blending out is pretty easy. Wait a minute, hold on. Okay, that is it. Blend it out with a brush and a sponge. And then that is it, just blend it out with a brush. That's why I do both. But wait a minute, I see some, hold on. And by see some, I mean not this wig hairline, baby, you know. Okay, this is the concealer. Blend it out. I'm gonna go over it a little bit more, but okay, hold on. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Gucci? And y'all know I'm not impressed with concealer, okay? But I was not expecting that to be like that. First thought when I first started to spread it out and apply it on my face, it was giving the, you know, the Sephora gel concealer. That's what the consistency was giving. That's why I was like, oh, this is a weird consistency for me. You don't really have that consistency when it comes to conceal. I don't know if I just said consistency correctly, but you don't really have that with concealers, and that's what it was giving. Blend it out really easily. The color actually ended up working out really well, because baby, but that's if you like a brighter under eye type look. There were definitely plenty of more shades. After that, the finish, I am wearing the Chanel water tint as a foundation. I'm gonna give it a little time because it's already afternoon to see how it wears throughout the day. But baby, hold up, ooh, hold up. And that's how you know, like when you try a new product and it really just has you looking at yourself like, wait a minute, hold up. Ooh. But yeah, it is a 2:10, so I am going to check back in a couple hours and see what it is giving. But baby, okay, it is 4:19. This is what she's looking like. Oh, it's starting to give that like baked in setting, you know, marinating on your face type vibes. Now granted, it is, you know, we are getting into the colder seasons, and baby, apparently we skipping fall this year because it's giving very much so winter. So, you know, my oil is not going to produce as quickly, but feel for the 2-ish hours I've been wearing it, can't feel it on the face. I do have a drier under eye area, and it's not bothering me. Like I said, it's giving very much so marinated on the face. Let me find out. Okay, let me find out. Now y'all know I just posted a video talking about, I think I finally found my like holy grail concealer. It was the Givenchy Prism Libre concealer. I don't know if I mentioned that in the recommendations video. I think I did. But baby, there might be a new contender. Wait a minute, I have to try this with, you know, a couple more foundations, see if it plays well with those as well. But, and again, I don't return things often, but this was one of those moments where I listened to intuition and it paid off for me. So I will link this in the description down below. Sale does start in 2 days, so you know, for $47 for a concealer, definitely a time to pick it up on sale if you want to, but definitely a concealer that is worth checking out. And you know, that means something if it's coming from me. So that is it for this video. I hope seeing me test this out has helped you if you're thinking of checking it out for yourself. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.